What's going on, guys? It's Julio here with Roadside Genius, and I'm doing a tire change on this Toyota RAV4. Check it out. Don't laugh at me. This is serious business.
Very serious. Oh, and look at your lights. Oh, who am I? Who am I to judge? You do your
Totally
thing.
joking. Totally joking. Alright, so you guys know the drill. First thing we do is jack the vehicle up. Customer appears to have hit a pothole in these Indianapolis streets. And there's not a lot we can say about that because potholes suck. Kind of hard to avoid. When the tire's stuck like that, you can get a hammer and hit it from the back, but sometimes just a mule kick will do it. See? That'll do it right there. So that tire needs to be replaced, but the rim looks like it's in good condition, so the customer can get a new tire on that rim. £100 torque stick. I'm going to make sure her tire has air pressure and put the spare tire in the back. Perfectly aired up, so no need to air it up.
Yes, please.
All right.
I'm assuming it's a goner.
Yeah. It definitely needs to be replaced, but luckily the rim's not too bent out of shape. I'm sure they'll be able to put a tire on the rim. It's a little scuffed up, so it won't look as pretty, but it serves a function. Oh yeah. That's what did it. Nice old gash. You don't need to sign anything, but I do need to take some pictures, and then I have to verify that you took care of the payments. And we're all good to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching.